I'm Rick Traver, Sales Manager for ESL Power Systems Emergency Power Solutions Group, and today we want to just kind of run through our ESL TempTap generator docking station. Now you'll hear the term generator docking station used for a multiple of different emergency power connection equipment. However, we tend to want to call our TempTap the generator docking station versus a manual transfer switch or a three-way manual transfer switch. So we'll refer to this as our generator docking station, even though a generator will dock to all of those other devices. This is a 1600 amp TempTap generator docking station. You can see this one is a wall mount unit. When you open the door, it comes with a dead front on the front to protect everything behind it. I'm going to remove this so you can see that a TempTap is basically an enclosure with cams. So this being 1600 amps, you have 4 sets of cams, as the cams are rated at 400 amps, 600 volts. You can see there are fans in the unit. This is so we can meet UL 1008 as a transfer switch accessory. Keep in mind, these fans only run when a generator is connected to the cams. They're wired to the cams to run the fans. So you don't run external power to this unit. So this is a 1600 amp TempTap. There would be a transfer switch, automatic transfer switch, switchgear, something else upstream that controls the transfer of power between either a permanent generator and a portable, or the utility and the portable, but that would be somewhere upstream, and this is your docking station. You also can see that there are terminal pads that you would mount your lugs to, your compression lugs, your crimp lugs. All this space up here then is where your conduit's going to come through, either from the back or the sides, and all your cables then are going to connect in here back to the load, so when you hook up the generator, it's supplying power to the facility. We've now come over to one of our pad-mounted TempTaps, generator docking station, and you can see the size of this unit compared to the wall mount we were just at. This is now a 2000 amp TempTap versus a 1600, so you can see the size you have to get to in order to be UL 1008 listed at this amperage. This has a door handle, and your door opens. Again, you have a dead front on the front, your cams down below, and on this particular unit, you have room to bring your cables to land on your lugs from the back, as well as the top and the sides. So now you can see on our pad-mounted unit with the dead front removed, unlike our wall-mounted unit that had a terminal pad in it and you supplied the crimp or compression lugs, the pad-mounted units come with mechanical lugs already installed. On these particular units, they are 300 to 800 kcmil cables. And depending on the size of the unit will determine whether you have 1 set or, as you can see back here, 2 sets.